Hey everyone! I hope you're doing great. I couldn't wait to show you this best Android 15 Benz. It's that good. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First off, the build quality. It's simple yet eye-catching, perfectly balancing style and practicality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. And the price? Let's just say it's a total win. You'd expect this to cost a fortune, but it's totally budget-friendly. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. This is a real multitasker for your routine. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a thoughtful gift. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly, just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch. Stock is moving fast. Check the link in the description for all the details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.